So here's how to replace any photo background in Photoshop. So now, as you can see, I opened a photo here. I want to replace this photo background with this background. So first of all, we have to cut out the photo. So in Photoshop here, you will find bunch of different selection tools. You can select your object. So right now I'm using the latest version of Photoshop. So here's I'm just clicking on this quick selection tool, and you can select your object using this quick selection tool, but I'm going to selecting here object selection tool, and this tool is only available in latest Photoshop version. Now just you have to hover over on your object and you will see your object marked. Now just click on your object and your object will be select. So here, as you can see, my object successfully selected. Now all you have to need, just click on this mask icon and your photo will be cut out. And now I'm going to opening the background photo and just dragging this photo and adding the photo into this layer, and drag the layer and put it under the object layer. And now it's time to resize our, and here as you can see, my photo background successfully replaced. And select the background layer and you can change the background position just like so. So I'm selecting this one, and to adjust your photo, select the photo layer and press Ctrl T, and here using this scale you can adjust your photo size, and that's it.